Good day, mates. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of cooking processes. Let's uncover the science behind some common techniques that make our food taste oh so delicious. First up, leavening. Ever wondered how your bread rises and becomes fluffy? It's all thanks to leavening agents like yeast or baking powder. These tiny organisms release carbon dioxide gas, creating bubbles that make the dough expand and rise. Next, caramelization. When sugar is heated, it breaks down and transforms into a rich, golden brown syrup. This process adds depth and complexity to dishes like caramelized onions or creme brulee, giving them that irresistible sweet and nutty flavor. Moving on to emulsification. Have you ever wondered how oil and vinegar magically blend together in salad dressings? Emulsifiers like egg yolks or mustard help stabilize the mixture by forming a uniform texture, preventing separation. Now, let's talk about Maillard reaction. When proteins and sugars are exposed to heat, they undergo a chemical reaction that creates a golden brown crust on grilled meats or roasted vegetables. This reaction enhances the flavor and aroma of the food. Sous vide, a French cooking technique, involves vacuum sealing food in a bag and cooking it in a water bath at a precise temperature. This method ensures even cooking and retains the food's natural juices and flavors, resulting in tender and succulent dishes. Fermentation is another fascinating process where microorganisms like bacteria or yeast break down sugars in food, producing acids, gases, and alcohol. This process is responsible for creating tangy flavors in foods like yogurt, cheese, and sourdough bread. Let's not forget about brining. By soaking meat or vegetables in a saltwater solution, the cells absorb moisture and flavor, resulting in juicier and more flavorful dishes. Brining also helps tenderize tough cuts of meat. Deglazing is a technique used to create a flavorful sauce by adding liquid, such as wine or broth, to a pan after cooking meat. The liquid helps dissolve the caramelized bits stuck to the pan, infusing the sauce with rich flavors. Now, let's explore blanching. This process involves briefly boiling vegetables before plunging them into ice water to stop the cooking process. Blanching helps retain the vegetables' vibrant colors, texture, and nutrients, making them perfect for salads or stir-fries. Lastly, let's talk about smoking. By exposing food to smoke from wood chips or herbs, the food absorbs the aromatic flavors, adding a unique smoky taste. Smoking is commonly used for meats like brisket or salmon, imparting a delicious smoky essence. And there you have it, mates. The science behind these cooking processes is truly remarkable, transforming simple ingredients into mouth-watering dishes. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember these techniques to elevate your culinary creations. Cheers!